Hey, what's going on everyone? I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today we are going to talk about the URL monitoring. Let's get started. URL monitor, often called a website monitor or HTTP monitor, is a fundamental tool used in IT, web development, and DevOps to ensure a website or a web service is accessible, performing correctly, and functioning as expected. At its core, it's an automated service that periodically checks a specific URL by sending an HTTP or HTTPS request similar to what a browser does, and then analyze the response. Key objectives of a URL monitor. Number 1, minimize downtime. You often know about an outage before your users do. Number 2, protect revenue and reputation. For e-commerce or service-based websites, downtime directly costs money and damages trust. Alright, let's give it a try. Let's monitor this website. Let's click on URL monitor. Now, what you need to do is simple. Paste your website address in the first field. Then give it a name and choose the region where this monitor should run. Down below, in the advanced settings section, choose the maximum time to wait for a response, between 1000 up to 60,000 milliseconds. Then choose the frequency of your monitor. You can do it manually by clicking here, or you can select any time frame you want. Let's choose every hour. Then choose how often you want to retry if the check fails. You can go from 1 retry up to 5 retries. And then select the time to wait between each retry, from 1 minute to up to 1 hour. Now you can also add assertions to your request. Choose which operator suits for you: equal, not equals, less than, greater than. And here you can select the status code. You have basically everything you need to execute your check. You can also add as many assertions as you want. Let's keep one assertion for this check. Now you can also set up alerts channels in case your check fails. By default, if your check fails, you will be notified by email, and you can also add additional channels. Choose whatever suits for you. By the way, if you want to try our software, you can find the link in the description below. You can start with the free plan. It's completely free and no credit card needed. Let's get back to the video. Okay, let's click here on create monitor. Then click here on your monitor, and then you need to run your monitor. As you can see here on the details, you can see the result of your check. Status code 200 equals 200, and the check is successful. Well, that's basically it for this video. I put the link to ObserveOne in the description below. We have a free trial. You can check it out. It's completely free, no credit card needed. I'm also going to put a link to our observability guide. You can find it in the description below. This will definitely help you with your observability process. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to support the channel and smash that like button. Thanks again, and have a nice day.